The official site for this one is not really a website. It is a free subdomain on an app builder, and there are 2 of them, with the brand spelled differently on each. We review it so you don't have to. Hemavex Gluco Capsules are sold for blood sugar support, healthy glucose metabolism, better insulin sensitivity, steadier energy, better carbohydrate handling. The usual promises, in the one category where getting it wrong actually costs you something. Start with the web address, because it is the most useful thing on the page. A real supplement company buys a domain. This one is running on a hosting subdomain from a no-code app builder, the kind of address you get free in an afternoon and can abandon just as fast. And there were 2, one spelled Hemavex, one spelled Hemavex. That is not a typo you make about your own brand. It is what a funnel looks like when it is built to be replaced. The rest follows. The ingredient amounts are not disclosed, so nothing can be checked against the research the ingredients borrow their credibility from. There is no peer-reviewed study on the finished capsule. Consumer investigators describe the surrounding pattern: pages laid out to look like news articles, doctor endorsements nobody can verify, as seen on logos that link nowhere, quantities already ticked at checkout, and subscription terms buyers say they never saw until the second charge.
So, the verdict: 2 out of 10. And plainly, not a small print. Blood sugar is not a thing to experiment on. Several of these ingredients interact with diabetes medication, and your doctor will tell you that for free. If that saved you a bad purchase, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review reaches you. Turn the bell on as well. Thanks for watching.